Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on gold. So if you're trading silver or gold right now, you should probably just check out both of these. They've both been on a pretty big tear. This is a really good example right here in this middle section when I talk about waiting for the rotation zone to catch up. We're just basing sideways. Let's look at that little bit on the daily. So it got a little overextended from the daily, moved sideways, letting the rotation zone catch up, and then broke out again. So when I talk about that, that's a really good example. Right now, gold's getting really overextended. We had our next major target is 179.54. We're trading 179.15, and as I said, very overextended. We have plenty of gaps in here to fill. On a pullback, first level support about 176.30. And then the major support area I've been watching is about 173.75. Based off the 4-hour daily chart, you can see pulling away rapidly from the rotation zone. Massively overbought condition. Key support coming in on the daily is about that 173.75 to 174. So on a bigger pullback, that's what you're going to watch. There's plenty of gaps to fill. If we do sell off below Friday's low, which was 178.20, I'm going to be watching for first target 177.18. Then next area, I'd just be watching at 173. Now on to the upside, if it keeps going, nothing has to make it stop, but it is overbought. 181.91 and 184.67. Those are all your major levels. Just this is a great area to start aggressively raising stops. We are very bullish on gold, but at times you let it when it gets overextended, you raise your stop. So if it does get a nice pullback, especially to the bottom, even if it pulled back to the daily rotations on the bottom of it, taking it back to 170.86 or 171, that'd be a great place to reload and watch for a rotation back up. Again, not trading advice, just helping people learn price action analysis. But when we get this overextended, it's definitely wise to know where your stops are and ratchet up, because you can always get more on when it does pull back. So if you get stopped out on a tight stop and you get a nice little drop when things get overextended, then you reload. And things, gold, if you go back, it got oversold here, ratcheted up, got a little overbought, then moved sideways, now going off on a tear, then moving sideways, now going off on a tear. So again, if it just starts drifting sideways, we're going to just watch that silver video, because I talk about how silver is drifting sideways and that it could still, once that rotation zone catches up, break out again to the upside. So what we have for you on silver and gold, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.